start with one new topic in our syllabus called as the differential equations. Now up till now we have studied some equations, like we could have equation of line, equation of plane, or for that matter some quadratic equation, some polynomial equation and so on. Again the word equation comes into picture, and this time equation means it is a equation which involves some differential coefficients. The equations which involve the differential coefficients or the differentials is called as a differential equation. There are many practical applications where we will be talking about rate of change of, or it could be rate of change of. These type of terms, they will always involve the differential coefficients or only the differentials. And so the differential equation, it can be formed from some equation which is available in terms of x and y. For example, if we have the equation as x square y minus 2xy cube plus y raised to 4 equal to say 4, then differentiating it with respect to x, we get 2x into y plus x square dy by dx minus 2x into 3y square dy by dx minus 2y cube plus 4y cube dy by dx equal to 0. Now this becomes a differential equation. Now when we talk of partial differential equation, then the differential coefficients which are involved, those will be the partial coefficients. We are aware of the fact that partial means you will be keeping one of the independent variable as constant and then differentiating with respect to other. For example, if z is equal to x square y minus 4y cube, then we cannot find anything like dz by dx, because z happens to be function of x and y. Instead of that, we find daba z by daba x, that is differentiating z with respect to x, treating y as constant, and the value will come out to be differentiation of x square as 2x and y as it is, whereas the second term will be straight away 0, because we are differentiating with respect to x and y is constant. Similarly, we can find daba z by daba y, where we will be differentiating with respect to y and treating x as constant. So in the first term x square is constant, differentiation of y is 1, minus 4y cube is differentiated as 12y square. So if the terms like daba z by daba x or daba z by daba y are involved, then the equation will be called as a partial differential equation. Now there will be few more terms which will go along with the differential equation, and those terms are: number 1, it is called as the order of the differential equation, and number 2, it is the degree of the differential equation. Now order of a differential equation is defined as the order of the highest derivative. It is the order of highest derivative which appears in the equation. Whereas the degree, when we talk of, degree will be corresponding to the degree of the highest order derivative. So we have two more terms. One is called as the order of the differential equation and other is degree. But of course just these definitions will not be of any use.